Hey everyone, this is Sean Batchelor. Welcome to my week 1 assignment for mobile user experience. So I have a few questions that I have to run through for this app. The app I chose was the Orlando Sentinel, and I did the review on that. Okay, so who are the target users? I feel like after using the app, the target users are traditional readers, older age people, probably in their late 20s, if not early 30s, up to maybe about the mid 50s. I feel like it's probably people who they like traditional news, and they are a little bit familiar with computers, so they're not too much computer focused, but just a little bit. I feel like they would be nostalgic about traditional newsprint format. This is in what do they want from the app? They're nostalgic about newsprint format, and they want a general and non-specific news, and in predetermined categories, as is the case in print media. They have sections in the newspapers, and it's all the same every single time. Different news, but the same sections and categories. They want something that's easy to read, and they want to put little effort into searching for stories or finding something that's specific to them. And they're also not too keen on videos. So how, where, and when do they use it? Mostly, it's probably at home, and if not at home, it's in a comfort zone somewhere. So, I mean, maybe somewhere in transit, like if they're sitting on a train, right into work. If they're maybe in the office and they have a little time to themselves, they would pull out this app and read a news article, or if they see something interesting to them, they would actually pull out the app and start reading from there. I feel like they would probably read it maybe early morning, just like a newspaper, or a late night after a long day. They're trying to unwind. Next question is, in what ways is the app designed to meet those needs? So the app, to me, it seems like it replicates the newspaper experience pretty accurately. It has a cover page, and it has print copy. If you look at the images, you can tell from the image how it is that it was color corrected for print, but they just pull that image and stick it in the app. The format is set out just like a newspaper. You got a headline here, and in the article there's actually an ad on this one too, which you would probably find similar to a newspaper. They got bulletins on the side. They got short synopsis stories right here in the front. So it's pretty much a replica of the print experience. So I think it does a good job in that. How is the experience, good or bad? I would say it's good because it does what it seems like it's intended for. If I was an older person and this is what I wanted, it would actually do exactly what I want. It replicates that newsprint experience. I would feel at home picking up this app and using it if that is what I was looking for. It's only in a more convenient medium. If you click on article and open it up, it has a page flip effect, even though the page flips up as opposed to right to left as you would in a traditional newspaper, but there's still that effect that, again, there's that nostalgia right there. The images, you got a big image, you got a caption, that's just like what you'd see in the newspaper headline article at the bottom. It's bad because it's not for a modern person. I wouldn't take this up and read it because I like modern news. I like stuff that I know that I can search for that are specific to me, like my interests. I'd be more focused on videos, more tech stuff. I want to pick out news articles that relate to me. I don't want to just read what's available or what somebody researches and decides, okay, this is what they're going to stick in the newspaper today. I feel like it would be better if the app permitted me to do a little bit more customization for myself, so I could pick more specific articles, I feel it would be better if it was more video focused also. And instead of, the one thing that actually did bug me a lot is when I picked the app up, I was trying to get to the other articles, and intuitively I tried to swipe up and nothing happened. So I'm like, does this thing only have 3 articles? And then I realized when I go left to right, there's more. So I feel like that is something that they should have probably thought of. Like for me, that's the first thing I think of. If there's a bunch of text on a page, automatically I'm going to try to scroll up or down. And I feel like that is the way it should be done, as opposed to scrolling left to right. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So I think that could have been done better. But anyway, that's my review. I am Sean Batchelor, and this is my review of the Orlando Sentinel for our Project 1 assignment on user exchange analysis. This is mobile user experience. Thank you very much for watching.